Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, my friends. How are you today? Today I show you how we make quinoa black bean bowl. Oh yeah, it's one of my favorites of all time. It's so healthy, my friend. So healthy. Just watch on the screen. I teach you how to make it. The first thing you have to do is you chop up all of your vegetables. Oh yeah. So easy. Some red onion, some jalapenos, and my favorite, garlic. And then you just put it in your pressure cooker and you saute those bad boys. Then we're gonna dump in some corn, some crushed tomatoes, some tomatoes, and one of my favorites, black beans. Oh yeah. And then we're just gonna add some spices. I like cumin, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and paprika. Oh yeah. And then you just add a cup of quinoa. I like red quinoa, but you can use any type of quinoa that you like. And then a cup and a half of water, aka agua caliente. Oh yeah. Then you stir that bad boy up, and then all you gotta do is just put that lid on top, push 1 minute, close it up, make sure you seal the vent, and boom, you just wait for it to finish. Yeah. And while you're waiting, chop up some avocado, get some sour cream, maybe some tortilla chips, whatever you want to put on top, maybe some dressing. I got mayo, garlic, spicy dressing, and boom, it's time to feast. It's gonna be a healthy feast tonight. I added a little bit of cilantro just to give it a little color, you know. Those nice bright green colors make our food look so much better. Oh yes. And there we have it. The delectable, the juicy black bean quinoa bowl with tortilla chips on top and some avocado, and boom, how easy was that? And you know what? It only cost $3.50 to make, and it tastes 9 out of 10, and it's the easiest thing in the world to make. I can't believe it. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you liked the quinoa bean salad. Oh yeah. Thank you.